Hello guys, welcome to your very first HTML and CSS tutorial for absolute beginners. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you from very basic to intermediate level of HTML and how the websites are built. So, what is HTML? For those who doesn't even know what is HTML, and I'm just giving you a brief introduction about HTML. So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the base of any web pages. And with the using of HTML, you can make some web pages, but they are static. To make a dynamic web page, you need to know some more languages like PHP, JavaScript, and all these things. So for now, we will be restricted to only HTML, and later I will be make some videos on those languages. So uh, this is the homepage of Google. You can see this is a web page. So if you right click and go to view page source, you will be able to see some codes, and these all are called HTML codes. This head tag, HTML tag, and all these stuffs, and we will be learning all these stuffs in our tutorial. So for to write HTML codes, basically you don't need to download anything. In your laptop or desktop, you already have a program downloaded called Notepad. In this Notepad, you can write your HTML codes, and but this is very basic and very boring because it doesn't have any line numbering and all this stuffs, and it will also not highlight the tags you used in your HTML. So for this tutorial purpose, I will be using Notepad++. Notepad++. So you can see that Notepad++ is much more better than Notepad. It has line numbering, and it will also highlight your tags. So this is much more realistic, and it's very easy to find any mail error. So we will be using Notepad++ for our tutorial. So how to download Notepad? Just open your favorite browser. Here I am using my Google Chrome. Just type in Notepad++, and in the very first link you will be able to see Notepad++ home from notepad++.org. Just go to that link and just go to download and just download it. You can download this one. It will be complete. It will be support in your device also. So just download this, and our download started. It's just 4.1 MB file, so it will not take much time. So just wait, and our download is completed. So just open that file. Click yes. Choose your language. Hopefully it will be English. So click OK. Just click next and read the terms and condition, license agreement. If you are agree, then click agree. Obviously you will have to be agree in order to install this Notepad++. So just click I agree and choose your destination folder where you want to download this install this Notepad++. Just click next and keep all this thing as it is, and click next. So here if you want to create a desktop icon, then just click on that and leave others as default and click install, and it will be installed in just few seconds. So if you want to run now after completing you're installing, then click finish. We don't want to run now, just click finish. Okay, now our Notepad++ is downloaded, and here you can see the icon. You can open it. You can open it directly from the desktop, or you can just type in here Notepad++, and it will have here. Just click on it, and your Notepad++ will be opened. So that's for now. The next tutorial will be writing some real HTML codes, and we'll see how the things actually work. So this is for now. We'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.